Hey, guys, today, let's try to tag someone over on an Instagram reel after you have posted it. So this is going to be pretty easy, guys. If you want to go and do this, please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram obligation. Go on to the specific reel that you'd like to go ahead and tag someone on. And then from here, you can actually go ahead and proceed with tapping on the three dots right next to the reel, and that's gonna take you to the edit button right here. So just tap on edit, and then you can actually proceed with tapping on this tag people option to add some tags and tag some people on this specific Instagram reel that you have posted. So I just go ahead and just chosen a specific person to tag. Tap on done again to save the changes. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe, as all of you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.